Every room was open, but two doors were always locked. If you hear a knock from inside, do not answer.
Welcome! Today we are practicing our reading and grammar with a chilling mystery, The House with the Locked Doors. This story is perfect for your A2 B1 English level. Liam was a young journalist. He wanted to write a story about old, strange houses. He found a perfect one, a large house on the edge of the woods. It had been empty for 50 years. Liam rented the house cheaply from a distant owner. The house was cold and smelled of old wood and dust. Everything was big and heavy. Liam was inspecting the house on his first day. Every room was open, but he noticed two doors on the second floor. They were locked. He found the keys on an old, high shelf in the kitchen. They were two heavy, black, antique keys. Liam walked up the stairs. He stood in front of the first locked door. He put the key in and opened it. Inside, there was a small, empty room. It was painted entirely white. The walls, the floor, the ceiling, all white. There was nothing inside, but the air felt incredibly heavy, like water. Liam did not like the feeling, so he closed the door quickly. He went to the second door. This room was also small, but it was painted completely black. It was so dark that Liam could not see the back wall. It felt colder than the white room. He closed this door even faster. That night, Liam was working at his desk downstairs. He was writing about the house when he heard a faint sound. The sound was coming from the second floor. It was a single, sharp knock. 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 Liam stopped writing. He was thinking, "It is the wind. It is the old pipes." But the house was silent. Then the sound came again. It was louder this time, clearly coming from the locked rooms. Knock. 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 Liam felt a fear that he had never known. He remembered the heaviness of the white room and the cold darkness of the black room. He went up the stairs very slowly. He was holding his breath. He stood in the hallway. The knocking stopped. He looked at the doors. The white room door was still closed, but the black room door was open just a crack. He could see the absolute darkness inside. Liam knew he should run, but he was a journalist. He wanted the story. He took a deep breath. He was about to open the black door when he heard a whisper, very close to the crack.
The whisper was clear, though very low. "I have the answer, Liam. Let me out. We can finish the story."
Liam stepped back. He did not answer. He turned and ran down the stairs. He grabbed his keys and his jacket. He did not look back. He left the house, leaving the lights on and the black door slightly open. Liam drove far away and never returned to the house. He wrote his story, but he did not include the whisper. He later heard that the house was still standing empty. People said that sometimes, late at night, they saw a dim light in the white room, and they heard a very polite, quiet knock from the second floor. Thank you for joining us for The House with the Locked Doors. This story helped us practice using the past tenses to build suspense. Here are some new words we learned today. Journalist, faint, pipes, suspense, whisper, crack, grabbed. Today we focused on using the past simple and the past continuous together to set the scene for the suspense. Past simple, main events. Liam rented the house. He closed the door quickly. He ran down the stairs. Past continuous, setting the scene. Liam was inspecting the house. He was writing about the house when he heard a sound. Try to describe a scary dream you had, making sure to use the past simple for the action and the past continuous for the background. If you want more chilling stories and lessons for A2 B1 English, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who loves mystery. We will see you next time for another story. And remember, some secrets are locked for a reason. Bye.